Welcome to the world of Lynx. Combining the best in wireless home security with special features that offer convenience for your whole family. All in one compact unit that can be placed on a wall or on a counter. Lynx is easy for everyone to use. It actually talks to you, clearly describing the status of your system.
Armed, away, exit now.
And with its family message center and paging feature, Lynx even brings your family closer together.
Hi, honey. I went to the store. I'll be back around 6.
But of course, the main job for Lynx is protecting your home. Let's take a look. Security sensors installed on windows and doors detect an entry into your home. Inside the house, a motion detector senses the movement of a human intruder. And smoke detectors can also be installed to guard against the risk of fire. If Lynx detects an intruder, it sounds a loud warning tone and sends an emergency message to your central station. The central station is manned by trained professionals 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and their job is to notify the police or the appropriate response agency. With Lynx, you get all this security in a system you'll find really easy to use. The most important thing to remember about your Lynx system is the secret 4-digit security code, a code that's set up for you by your security dealer. For demonstration purposes on this video, we use the code 1234.
Disarmed, ready to arm.
Let's take a look at how Lynx can watch your home around the clock, whether you're away or staying at home. When you're at home, you would arm Lynx in the stay mode. This turns your system's motion detectors off, but activates the protection on your doors and windows. So you and your family can walk freely inside your home with the peace of mind that all door and window sensors are active. And please remember that at all times, your fire protection is active. Of course, when you're leaving the house, arm the system away. In the away mode, all the security protection is active. Glance at the green ready light. If it's on, your system is ready to arm. If the ready light is blinking, a protected door or window is probably open. The Lynx display shows you that a zone is open. When you press the status button,
Fault, master, bedroom, window.
Lynx identifies any open doors and windows, as well as other system conditions. With Lynx, you can arm the system with just a single key. Simply hold down the away key for 2 seconds.
Armed, away, exit now.
When you arm the system away, Lynx gives you time to leave the house. When you return home through the entry door, Lynx beeps as a reminder to turn off the security system. Simply enter your 4-digit code and the off key.
Disarmed, ready to arm.
That's all there is to it. And your Lynx system can be conveniently armed and disarmed at the press of a button with these handy remote controls. Don't forget to ask your dealer about the remote control options available on your system. Your Lynx system can also be programmed to call for help when there's a household emergency. Please ask your installer about the emergency capabilities of your system. And Lynx is packed with convenient and helpful features that you and your family will want to use every day. Like a built-in family message center, where you can leave messages up to 20 seconds long. To record a message, simply press the function key and record, and speak into the microphone.
Hi, honey. I went to the store. I'll be back around 6.
If you finish the message before 20 seconds is up, press the off key to stop recording. The message indicator tells you that a message is waiting. To play the message, press the function key and play.
Hi, honey. I went to the store. I'll be back around 6.
Lynx also has a built-in paging feature, where your personal pager can receive messages from your security system. A page can be sent by pressing one button on the Lynx keypad, And you can have the peace of mind of receiving a page when your child arrives home and disarms the security system. Lynx can even alert you that the central station has been notified of an alarm. Your dealer can provide all the information you need about the pager functions that were set up on your system. Also, talk to your dealer about other great Lynx options, including ways to turn on or off lights from the keypad or by remote control. As you've seen, Lynx gives your family peace of mind and security and has great features that offer convenience that you'll appreciate every day. For more information on Lynx, read the user's manual. It has complete instructions on how to operate every feature, including how you can program temporary security codes for other family members or a babysitter, and how to temporarily bypass doors or windows. It also shows you how to test the system, something you should do on a regular basis. And pay close attention to the recommendations for practicing an emergency evacuation in the event of a fire. Thank you for choosing Lynx, the best in wireless home security. Remember, for the best protection, use Lynx every day. Your family will enjoy peace of mind and security for many years to come. If any of your friends or neighbors would like the same peace of mind that you now enjoy, contact your Ademco dealer today.